Backbush TV, like and subscribe. Right now we are gonna go through some history in a dancehall, you know what I mean? When we say history, we are going to history. We have Footer Hype and Uncle Gaza. Real life and I make we know bag of things were going on in our camp with Kartel and Mavado, how the war start and a bag of things. So Backbush TV, like and subscribe. We'll jump in on it.
And we give him the argument to him and talk. And me and him first not deal in alliance. So you don't even know them part there. Because Kartel is a craftsman. And me I tell you, him try craft busy. And that make we draw the line with him. That's why I go to your story now. Why you say Mavado pick it up in? And that's why Mavado pick it up, because he did internally a style thing where the public don't know. So Mavado and I pick the thing with him. Mavado a step forward and say, Killer, make me deal with him. Kind of done a pre-way already. That is why he asked Mavado shoot first, and Ray Kartel was fucking around and provoking behind the scene long time. So the singer just couldn't take it no more. And say, yo, make me deal with him. So that caused Mavado to publicly attack first. But Kartel had been do something like a foolishness.
All right.
More than that to where we just not gonna talk on this right now.
All right. Yeah, man, we're now for going on some interview or something. So lead up to Sting now. And Mavado dead on the stage.
Mavado do what?
Mavado dead, but you have it
Oh, Mavado dead.
Mavado dead.
How?
Mavado dead at Sting.
How?
Because in a sound clash or music clash, in a toasting or buckle rap or buckle beef or anything, dancehall, reggae, anybody a clash, you cannot repeat song.
You know what that tell me, sir? That's what you just said. Tell me, sir, you never did it.
Footer.
Were you there?
No, you can't use that.
Okay, stop. My brother, you're speaking to somebody who was there, okay?
I wasn't at the World Cup. I mean, no, say Messi win. Don't come use them. You can't use
brother. My brother.
I wasn't at the World Cup. Hold on. You there World Cup?
Brother, listen what me asking.
No. Footer, you there World Cup?
Listen, you that watch World Cup live though.
Footer, was you at
the
World
Cup? Were you watching World Cup? Why are you watching?
Was you at the World Cup? Yes or no?
No. Were you watching the World Cup? No, brother, stop now. You ask me a question, I'm answer you. Answer mine now. Brother, but you ask me a question. Brother, if you interview people, you have to answer and give person a chance to talk. Listen now. You asked me a question if I was at the World Cup. I said no. But I was watching World Cup live feed in real time.
Okay.
Were you watching Sting live feed in real time?
No.
Okay. So why Footer Hype could have said from what you said, I knew you wasn't there without asking if you was there. Why?
I don't know why. I don't know.
Because if you were there, you would not say what you say.
So basically, yes, Mavado never sing the song 2 times? Yes or no?
That never count at the show. Because nobody at the show had a rewind button to rewind anything.
Hold on. So you're telling me that Mavado didn't sing 1 song 2 times?
You're not listening to what I'm saying. I'm saying, don't say what I never said. Because you cannot twist me. No, I said there was no rewind button at a live stage show. At the end of the night, the question was asked 3 or 4 times by the so-called referee, which was Ninja Man. Who?
Yeah, Ninja Man and Kartel, no problem. Yeah.
No, Kartel problem, but I call Ninja Man. Hello, listen now.
I use that now.
Ninja, brother, just calm down and listen to reality now. Ninja Man don't have the mouth of 30,000 people. So what I'm saying to you is Kartel Yard is Portmore, and when it's all end, them say, who win the clash? Everybody in a jam world say Mavado. Them ask again. Everybody in a jam world say Mavado. Them ask again. Bro, you want bet?
Footer, lie, you tell Footer.
Me say if you want bet? Bet me a program. Bet me a program.
Bet me a program?
Yeah, if you lose, you have to give over the channel to me.
All right, so basically, hold on.
No, man. Shh.
And if
you like to talk. Hold on now. You like to talk like... Gaza, hold on now. You like to talk like you're sure. Bet me your program. Bet me a channel.
Hold on. Where we are bet? Can I bet my program? Willing for bet it?
Me a better the program say. When the clash finish, a Ninja Man asked the crowd more than once, more than twice, who win the clash? The whole crowd say Mavado. That me a bet.
And where can I find that proof? Me ready for bet.
Length of the footage, I mean.
So now length alone, me see, so me see footage too. Me
So
never see that
which
part
footage you see? You see people repost and cut up and do them. We have the real live footage.
So are you alone? So Aleng alone have them footage there?
Which Leng alone? There was 30,000 people in the venue.
Yes, so we are selling footage. I mean, understand what you are saying.
What I'm saying is, stop, come here, so and prolific foolishness. Cartel never win nothing.
So me ask you, did Mavado sing back a song? I'll answer me,
Oh,
you know.
but me no know, me no remember. So if a man thump you in your jaw 2 times in a boxing match, that means him lose?
No, footer, the rules of nobody come here so we not draw them carry the footer. You know, say you sing
Which
back
part
song.
did it to the rule? Which part did it to the rule pass thing say?
All right,
You
footer,
can't sing back a song. Wait, let me ask you a question. Where the rule book there? Hold on now. Bro.
For a sound man, if you play back music in a
Hold on,
sound
Mavado and Kartel a sound man?
yeah, footer, you know, say man.
No, me ask you a question if Mavado and Kartel a sound man.
No, the man a sound man. But
Sting our DJ clash, dog.
nah, him sing back song in
Hold on, brother. But the only people where use that as a factor is people who never did it. Nobody where they did it and stand up in a real time and listen to the clash. Never even know some other sing back a song. If listen, brother.
First girl name at the end of the road. You remember the school name. You remember everybody.
But you're not listening to me.
You remember that night.
You're not listening to me. I said though. You're not listening to me. I said, right? When the clash are go on, nobody in the crowd never knows some other sing back a song. Not business about that. The clash done. The mediator asks who win the clash more than once, more than twice. And the people them say, Mavado, what you tell me about when you go back and catch footage and play back and all that have to do with clash?
I don't know, go back and play footage, brother. Them interview much.
But you never did the Gaza. So you personally don't even have the right for reason with my boss thing, because you never even did it. You never pay your money to support the artist.
So basically, so footage is another thing where you reason with, where you don't have the knowledge because you wasn't there. So
what you mean? Me did that. Everything when me I tell about from day till now on the program, I did that.
No, me say you reason about a lot of stuff differently than that, and you're not dead it, and you reason about it.
But if me see it in a real time, then me not dead it. You never see thing in a real time. You never watch a live stream.
All right, Footer, me guess say you gonna go there so with it still, so me understand. So we have
I know guess it's reality. You just live an illusion for Kartel.
No, me not live an illusion. All right,
Gaza.
So another time you say this.
Gaza.
Another time you say this.
Gaza. Kartel lose the fucking clash. Wanna give up, man. The man lose the clash, man. Stop fight for you losing back, and the whole I wanna we are arguing never did it. When they even care if you go spend our money watching an artist, but when you come and argue. When you never did it, man, Lord that man. Kartel lose the fucking clash.
Footer, when a foreign me live, Footer.
It no matter. You could have buy the live stream.
We had a foreign me live, Footer.
You could have buy the live stream.
Let me tell you, so when people are reason them lose a point, them straight or something different.
Oh, me lose. You should have buy the live stream. If you
go do that.
No, but brother, you are straight. Me, I tell you, some of the win and me did that, and you tell me same no win.
That's your opinion, brother.
No, that's a fact. That's a fact.
That's your opinion.
No, man, that's a. Oh, what is the opinion and what is a fact?
The fact of the truth.
Okay, and the opinion now.
Eh?
And the opinion now.
That's your opinion, your assumption. That's the way you feel like.
Then that way you are the you never did it. And the 30,000 people who did it, say Kartel lose. So
so well answer. The 30,000 people there, nobody say Kartel win. Or the 30,000 people.
Me say go back, go watch the footage. And when Ninja Man asked, brother, go ask me. See when Ninja asked the crowd what they said. Me not have to argue with them.
All right, Footer, yeah, me not argue. So my opinion that. All right. So the next thing when me hear
no, that is a fact. You can't tell me say that opinion. You never did it.
Questions. I have to ask the questions when me hear you say no. Because me hear you say some things and more address some of them. You say is Busy Signal a bigger artist than Vybz Kartel?
What you mean?
How?
What you mean how?
Stop. Where you use judge it?
What you mean when me judge it?
Well, I know, because if I where I use judge it.
Let me ask you now. Kartel have one song big like watch out for this?
No. Watch out
Me
for this is
ask
not
you a
busy
question.
song.
That's all me ask you.
Watch out for this is not busy song.
My youth, me ask you say.
Stop
If
do that.
bro,
Watch out for this is not busy
answer
song.
one question, man. Why you have to do this all the time? Answer the question. Kartel
Okay,
have
no.
one song big like watch out for this?
No.
Well, the argument is done. Next question.
All right. See, that's a me glad.
My brother, me no want go. You are here defending Vybz Kartel integrity. You don't have nothing to defend. Busy.
Because you here spread lies on the internet, brother.
No, me ask. Well, I know. Me ask you a question. The Kartel have one song big like watch out for this?
Major Lazer song. He's a feature artist. Major Lazer song.
Bro, who sing the song?
He's a feature artist and
Who
Major Lazer
sing
song.
the song?
Major Lazer and Busy Signal.
Who sing the song?
Major Lazer and Busy Signal.
Who sing the song? Who for Vice step on? Who for Vice step on the rhythm, bro? Who for Vice step on the rhythm?
Major Lazer and Busy Signal.
May I ask you a question? Who for Vice step on the rhythm?
Bro, I want to stop them. Stop me here.
See, there you can't talk. A Busy sing the song whether Major Lazer build rhythm or not. It doesn't matter.
You already, brother.
Listen, Dave Kelly Bill and write Wolper song. A theme song? No, the artist song. Busy, Kartel, Vybz Kartel, one of the most beloved artists in a reggae and dancehall, don't have a song bigger than watch out for this. Next question.
Busy song. Busy is not a bigger artist than Vybz Kartel. Stop
brother, me ask you a question. Say, if Vybz Kartel have a song bigger than watch out for this, you said no. Let's move on to the next question.
No, better about the artists themselves. You're the most artists.
Bro, I ask you one question and you answer already. Next question is not a Kartel versus Foota Hype interview.
No, I'm still asking because you say some things. When
I answer you already. But me answer you already. Me answer you already. And you answer me already. So I need to sit down and dwell upon that.
Okay, so all right, so I guess everybody come and see your answer and then see.
Yeah, you can try swing the comment section. Kartel do have a song bigger than watch out. Kartel do have a song bigger than watch out for this. Kartel used to go to Europe and open for Busy Signal, performing at Daylight, a Busy Close All Festival.
All right,
continue with something else.
Is Popcorn a bigger artist than Vado?
Oh.
Is Popcorn a bigger artist than Vado?
No.
Is Popcorn Vado have a song bigger than Twist and Turn? May I use the same thing
for
you?
Me never know which song named Twist and Turn.
Nah, I'm for yesterday. Me don't talk to you, Foota.
Which song named Twist and Turn? Which song named Twist and Turn?
You know, Twist and Turn with Drake.
So when you go talk to me, a while ago you say, you sound confusing. You say a Major Lazer. When Major Lazer and the song they never produce it. But then you come tell me about Twist and Turn now.
I'm using the same thing what you use.
No, but Major Lazer and Busy don't have a collab with the two of them and sing, brother.
Here ya. Foota, I'm using the same thing what you
No,
use.
may I ask you a question? You sound confusing and you sound people laugh off of me. And me, well on, brother. Me not, well on now. Calm down now. Relax now, brother. You just say. Major Lazer. It's not Busy song. It's Major Lazer song. So no, you can ask me about Drake and Popcorn. When you compare, when you say Mavado and Popcorn.
You're biased, Foota.
What you mean? Major Lazer artist? Hold on. Major Lazer artist? Major Lazer producer, brother. So what you say? So when you could have said Dave Kelly, we don't can say all a bunty hits them not good and Beanie and Baby Tam because Dave Kelly produced them. You know, make no sense, man. You make sense, no man.
All right, Foota, please, because you don't understand. Me ask you, is Mavado bigger than Popcorn?
Me can ask you something?
No, if you answer a question and tell me why you think
I'm say no. I'm say no.
Why? All right.
Come Mavado a bigger artist.
How is bigger than Popcorn?
All right.
No, explain how he's bigger than Popcorn.
More classic, more bigger performance.
More what?
More bigger performance, more region, him go more region.
Which part of perform bigger than Popcorn?
Wait, brother, Popcorn never perform in America yet?
Which part Mavado
perform? Me ask you a question. Popcorn never perform in America yet?
So America the biggest platform then?
No, but remember say Mavado perform worldwide long before Popcorn even boss.
So Mavado.
So let me ask you something. All right, let me ask you something. Hold on. Me hear what you say. Since you are the interviewer, let me ask you something. Byron Messiah bigger than Shabba?
No, can I stupid question that?
So Byron Messiah now have a big song now and I say him have the biggest song in the dancehall from 05. That make him bigger than Shabba? No, me ask if that make him bigger than the person?
No, one on the brother, him have things we can show saying bigger brothers. Nobody do that. Nobody straight the argument to full reason.
What do you mean? But me I use the same thing where you use. Cause you claim so because a man I get too big crowd now, means saying bigger than the next man?
Too big crowd? Popcorn have more Billboard entry than him. Popcorn have Billboard 200. Popcorn have more accolades than him. Popcorn have more Billboard song more than Mavado.
With how much? All right. So you just as a collab. Mavado touch Billboard by himself for a long time, you know? By himself, you know?
Bro, I'm not say no, brother.
So we are talking about.
But you're not understanding me as a footer because
yeah, but you speak to suit your own narrative and you not understand. We can fine tune it worse if you want. We can say Billboard song by yourself. We can say Billboard dancehall song. We don't have no hip hop groove to it at all. Mavado do that 1 million times already.
Yeah, so hold on. When you make this is what you said. Come see what you try to do though.
I know when me I try to show you say. Your reasoning, you like to try to curve reasoning to suit yourself. And if you can fine tune this, so we can fine tune somewhere else.
All right. Sean Paul and Shaggy are our biggest artists, them, no? Yes or no?
In terms of sales, yeah. But Bunty and Beanie are our biggest artists.
No. What do we use to say them are our biggest artists?
We are talking in terms of sales. A Sean Paul and Shaggy are our biggest artists. But a Bunty and Beanie are our biggest dancehall artists. No matter who sell what.
Bunty and Beanie are our biggest artists.
Bunty and Beanie is dancehall biggest artists.
Sean Paul and Shaggy are our biggest artists.
In terms of selling them big records, the diamond and the platinum.
And not selling alone, shows.
My brother, all artists will compete to the show when them not have visa after them career. What do you mean? Bunty and Beanie not have visa after them career. And lose contract because them not have a visa. And because them can't travel to the region and do the promotion them way Sean Paul and Shaggy we do. Them can't do the TV interview that on something them how you do it. Sean Paul and Shaggy I'm bridging them. But them ever got you nothing where Bunty and Beanie got you in the music.
Alright. You know, we'll come over that topic here.
Oh, you better come after you can't win.
No, footer, because you don't reason logical footer.
What you mean? Logical Bunty and Beanie in a lose visa, got jail. Government fight them bombard them, blacklist them. How long Bunty not go England? How long before Beanie never go England? How long Beanie and Bunty not go Canada?
Footer, your reason, let me tell you all your reason. You see, anybody where you're a friend, I'm respect that all you have friend.
Beanie and Bunty argument not have nothing to do with friendship. It have to do with reality. So what you say? Sean Paul and Shaggy bigger than Bunty and Beanie?
Yes.
So Omi bigger than Bunty and Beanie to them?
No.
We mean? So you talk about sales. Omi not sell one heap to man?
With one song,
bro. But you know, listen to me I say. If you want to check about big song and Ray. Would I put Stay So as if I saw where I rate it then, would I put Stay So as bigger than Watch Out For This or bigger than Fever? Because Stay So play in our
Hold on, Stay So bigger than Fever?
You know, listen to me I say, you just love me nice. Me say, if we the reason that we're there, more you pay attention and stop making nice youth. Listen to my words. Me say, if we were reasoning that way, you jump up. Oh, so we are saying Stay So bigger than your son. You get kind of.
Yeah, Footer, can tell you why? You see,
no.
Say after all bigger than.
No, you have to listen. Good people. Well, listen, brother. Smart people listen to what a person say before the fact and after the fact. So if you're not going to listen to what I say and jump up and excitement, you said this, me never said that. That means you're a liar. You have to listen to what I say.
Yeah, what you say?
Me say, if we were reasoning that way, then Stay So would have bigger than Watch Out For This and Fever. Because Stay So is still more dominant than a Watch Out For This and a Fever in a dance right now. You understand what I say to you? I am not saying that TSO is bigger than them because it don't accomplish what them accomplish. But I'm saying in our world and in our realm and our dance one. Like Dexter Daps. Dexter Daps have 1 million hit song.
Dog, a dance, Footer. Listen to Footer, when me a reason about the
Brother,
world, dog.
but more you listen when me a talk say. I say you gotta understand because me, my mind no work like yours.
Dog, all right, Bob Marley now playing a dance in Jamaica.
But Bob Marley the biggest artist in the world and the hottest artist in the world.
Brother, when we are talking about
Bob Marley playing a dance every night more than every man.
Dog, where Afroral go? Different night dance, and two little sector play them.
Bro, you just said something about Bob. Quiet now. Bob, listen now, bro. You can't speak and then I shut me up, man. Stop now, man. Stop now, brother. Bob is the biggest, hottest, most played artist in a dance up to now. Me sure 5-6 Bob playing at every dance every night. Me not ask you. I can play any hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12, 5, 6, anytime. And if you want to go chart, Bob never come off a chart yet. He done the 1, 2, or 3, never move. So it's exactly what me I tell you say now, bro. So we go to Obama, we use example. Let me show you Dexter Daps now. Dexter Daps have so many hit songs. Ashaba Madapata. Ashaba Madapata, I'm uncle big song where it really crossover like that, you know.
In a dance, I'll ever say. So after all crossover?
After all, a big song, man, you in everywhere, man.
After all,
champion boy crossover more than after all, you know.
No, so that means that means he have 2 songs bigger than he have 2 songs bigger than Taliban then.
No, but for me, after all, the biggest one for me.
So after all bigger than Taliban.
How you mean?
So hold on. After all bigger than Crocodile Teeth?
Crocodile Teeth by Skillibang?
Yeah.
That's all right.
No, me not ask that.
It do it good look at time. It do it good look at time and that they ever play now like that. After all.
Bro, listen up. It bigger than Crocodile Teeth? Yes or no?
To me?
Yeah, after all.
How you mean?
All right, Footer.
Where you laugh for?
All right, Footer.
Nobody laugh like me I get joke. The forward of me sure. Listen. The forward of me sure. Forget after all. Me not sure forget to have a crocodile teeth and everywhere crocodile teeth work. Yeah, then that's why I said to me, family. Watch it now.
Worldwide.
Family.
Worldwide.
But it's a worldwide me I talk about. When I dance all, me play, me go worldwide. Me not play hip hop. Me play hip hop if me feel like. But dance all, me play worldwide.
Yeah, but you're going to diaspora with dance all people there, brother.
Bro, me going then I want me play. Now dance all me play. So you expect me to hold on. So you expect me to go in our rock and roll. Hold on. So you expect me to go in our rock and hold on, no, brother. If me go in our rock and roll club, where them all book me for?
Sometimes Footer, not because you have history.
No, but me I said to you, brother. You like to make you see if you want to talk. It sound like we are cuss because you keep talking.
No, because you not give me a chance to talk.
But brother, me give you a chance. You just say what you say. I just what you say, but you jump in.
Footer, understand me. Hear me, I say. So, because you know the history and you was there.
Me no business born a history. Me I tell you what I want now. You gonna let me stop playing music? Me stop playing music? You talk about history like me stop playing music.
Footer, just understand me, I said, okay, you know me a chance to talk. And
me just give you a chance to talk and you say me I talk about history and me ask you if me stop playing music. So you mean me not give you a chance to talk? Me address what you say.
Footer.
Yeah, man, me I hear you.
Please, and just listen to me and hear me out good. When a music transition to other diaspora, like the business song where you talk about, when the music them transition to international spaces, that means say it charter Canada, it charter UK, is a reason why it charter, because it sell on a stream over there. It charter different countries in the world. It charter America, it chart everywhere. Footer, it not a thing there. Like Footer get a phone call.
But Bush TV, you hear them the history there. Me never know about them the history there. When you hear them, Wanna leave on the thoughts and the comments. What Bush TV, like and subscribe. We're there. Mad.